Do you want to use Meta AI in Messenger? You can add Meta AI Chatbot on Messenger with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To use Meta AI in Messenger. First, open the Messenger app on your mobile device. Once you're on Messenger, tap on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, type Meta AI in the search bar. From the search results, select the Meta AI chat to open it. You can also directly tap on the Meta AI icon at the bottom right of the chat list screen, if it appears on your app. Once the chat opens, type your question or message in the text box at the bottom. You can ask anything, such as general questions, study help, suggestions, or ideas. Once ready, tap the send button. Now, Meta AI instantly responds to your question. You can also ask Meta AI to edit or generate any image by typing a prompt. You will get high-quality AI-generated images and can download them to your device.